Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Shifts. My name is Jason and we're back again with the LASFIT floor mats for our Ram TRX. Now, if you guys watched the last video, so did LASFIT. And they saw the issues that I had and the differences in the floor mats. So they sent me out a second set with the proper rear mat for the back seat. So this will be a short video. I'm not going to recap everything, but let's go ahead and unbox these two side by side so you can see the difference with your own eyes for that rear seat mat fitment for the cargo space. So you can see the difference and make the right choice and not screw up and order the wrong choice like I did. Learn from my mistakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. All right guys, so here we got the mats side by side. And as you can tell, the front sections, driver's side, passenger side, driver's side, passenger side, they're identical. There's no change there whatsoever for these mats. However, the rear, this is the first set that was in my first video review that has the back section on it. But when you slide on over to this one, just like I was mentioning, you cut that line out, cut that back piece out, and it would fit. Well, LASFIT's already done it for you if you order the correct part. So make sure you order the correct part. And I'll put those down in the description here. And for those of you who didn't catch that video, again, these are super high quality, awesome customer service from LASFIT. I mean, they contacted me and said, hey, we recognize the mistake. It's happened before. We'd like you to help us out by telling your viewers about this situation and making sure that they order the right set for their vehicle so it fits properly how they want it to fit. So I said, sure, I'll do that. And here we are. So again, great material, the great grooves, solid, awesome price for these. And let me just show you what this cargo section looks like on the truck itself so you guys can see which setup you need for your truck. So here we go into the back seat of the truck. And I'll zoom this out a little bit. And there, you guys can see, mine has this cargo section in here. This little cargo section, which cuts it out through here. As you can see on the Mopar mats, they come right up to it. But you want to make sure that if you have this cargo section and you don't want to remove it, that you purchase the one on the right-hand side here. You need this one. And if you don't have that section, then you need that one. So I will clearly label these in the description for you with links so you guys can make sure you make the correct correction or the correct purchase and get the ones that you need for your truck. Again, LASFIT mats are amazing. Their price is unbeatable. They have the best price for the best quality. I mean, I love WeatherTech, but WeatherTech's 300 and something bucks, and these are usually like half that. So highly recommend this. Use the right link, get the right mat that you need, and get them in your Ram truck. Now these fit in all Ram 1500s of the year, and I'll put that year in the description, not just the TRX. The interior is similar in the layout, so that those cross over and you can use them wherever you need to. So guys, thanks for checking back in. The Ram TRX is still doing amazing. We still love this baby, and make sure you order the right set that you need for your truck. Catch you guys later.